Hey guys, so I am here at Walmart and I'm going to do a fall 2009 dressing room try-on haul. I'm in a different Walmart. I'm in Lake Mary, Florida visiting my parents for the week, and this Walmart is nice. So I'm hoping to find some really cute affordable finds, and of course I'm going to share them with you, so let's take a look and see. This jacket is really cute. I love it. The little, you know, shape and the little stitching. They got some cute workout clothes. So that's great to kind of take you into the colder weather, but also like athleisure. Okay, so over here they have clearance, $7. And these are actually kind of cute. Long sleeve little hoodie shirts, ribbed, and some great neutrals. So I will definitely check it out. I'm going to try to grab a medium in some of these sizes. Can't go wrong with these basics. And they have all these comfy like teddy bear sweaters here in different colors. So looking good so far. This little hoodie is so cute. Like a little athletic jacket with a rose gold detail. I like the rib bottom. It's like more of a fitted type of deal. This is $16.96. A little bit too much for me to spend at Walmart, but actually really cute. Okay, so here's the first outfit. I have on like a nice little fall top. It's like 3/4 sleeves, long in the back, which is great for wearing with leggings. Has a little hood. It is a size medium. It's $10.96, but I feel like it's a little bit big, so maybe size down. It came tied up like this, but it was kind of like a big knot, and then I noticed that it's just a regular button, just like the back. So you could either have it open or, you know, tie it up, but I feel like this material is kind of cheap. Like it would get those little lint balls easily. So I don't think it's worth it. But the jeans, these are size 9, no boundaries, high rise. Love the button fly. I size up to 9 because these are like juniors. But they're super comfortable and super duper stretchy. And they're not super they're not super leggings. They're more like really jeans. So I actually really like these. These ones are $17.98, and I like the distressing. I think these are really cute. So yay for these. I don't know if I need them because I already have a button fly that was kind of like these from Old Navy, but these I would have gotten because they're cheaper than the ones from Old Navy. So yay on that. Okay, so this is on clearance. This top is from No Boundaries. It's a little bit tight. Doesn't really have stretch to it, but it's thin, and it has a tie right here. So it actually came like supposed to be tied, like sewed like that. I thought that this would be cute for fall, but I don't know if I love the colors, and it seems like the buttons are off to one side. They're not centered. So yes, it's on clearance, but I don't think I would get it. But $7, it's not bad. Looks good with like these jeans because it's a cropped, but this is high rise. So I think I'm gonna skip on this one. Okay, so this sweater is long. That's what attracted me to it. It's again No Boundaries. This is a size small, so as you can see it kind of runs big. $15.96. I feel like this has potential to be kind of like a really cool outfit if you style it right. You could even wear this as a dress, maybe with like a little slip underneath and some boots. It is very warm, like I feel really hot right now. So if you're cool and you know how to style those, I think this would be really cool. You could probably wear it open to like be like a duster. So let me undo these buttons. So here it is unbuttoned. I actually like it better unbuttoned. This would look even cute with like a little dress underneath. Super warm. This is great for fall for layering. So this is cute. I think I might get this. What do you all think? Hey, we are totally fall in this outfit. So this was another shirt on clearance. Has a little hood. It's ribbed. Has this right here, which is killing it for me. I think it kind of makes it look a little tacky, but I wasn't sure. I like the color. I like this persimmon for fall, but I don't know. I tucked it in, but I would like it if it wasn't for those little, that extra unnecessary detail. Because you know, you want these little long sleeve basics to layer. This skirt though, really cute. This is actually So this was on clearance for $7. This is No Boundaries on clearance for $9. And I got it in a size 9 because again I sized up. Oh, no wonder it's a size 11. It was on the wrong hanger. Okay, no wonder it's big because you see it's got stretch. So this is a great fall basic, like a kind of mustardy camel faux suede. I could see this with boots. I could see it with a little bodysuit. I think I might get this in a smaller size if they have it. Okay, so I am on the hunt for a good pair of black jeans. And these ones are, again, No Boundaries. They're so cheap. They're only $7.78. I got size 9. It says stretch fabric, skinny fit. This is not stretchy. And I remember reading on the reviews online that the black jeans are always like not stretchy and you have to size up. So I have major muffin top right now. Luckily it's high rise, but do you see that muffin top? So negative on that, even though this is a really good deal because I like the way it fits the leg but not the stomach. This is another No Boundaries black jeans. It has like this whiskering, which I think it makes it look like cheap. These ones are definitely stretchier, $14.98 in a size 9, but I think these definitely run small. So I don't like the way that fading looks either. So no luck on the black jeans so far. But these are $14.98 because I think they're higher quality than the other ones and do have more stretch. Some more clearance from No Boundaries again. So they had these really cute little paper bag waist slacks. And they are on sale for $7. And they're nice and stretchy and they're really like forgiving. I got a size medium, look, $7. So if you are tall, these might not be great because they are a little high-waisted. I mean, yeah, they're a little bit like, you know, like flood pants. But I think with like some stilettos or some like heels, they'd look really cute, or pointed flats. So really comfy. And you could totally wear these to work or dress them down. I tried this little black long sleeve stretchy No Boundaries top, again in a size medium, on clearance for $7.96, just so you could see the waist on these. They have these in different colors, like a khaki green, orange, yellow, I think. So I might get it in more than one color. But another simple top. This is just a black long sleeve stretchy. I love the v-neck. I think that's really flattering. Yeah, and I'll totally just wear this for fall, like as a layering piece. So thumbs up to both of these. We have another No Boundaries sweater. This is the size small. I liked it because the back has like that cute little cross, you know, tie. But I think this makes me look bulky, like not in a good way. And this is a size small. So not my favorite, but it is super comfy. So if you want something just chill and just warm and cozy. Has a hood. Okay, back for the fitting room try on number 3, because you can only choose 6 at a time. So I got a new skirt in a size 7 and it still fits, still stretchy. So I'm so glad they only had like size 11s and then one size 7, $9. Okay, so I'm totally gonna get that. And then I found these like really cute little basic long sleeve ribbed tees on sale, or long sleeve t-shirt. So this is $7 and it goes really well with this different bra. But totally could picture wearing this with tights and some boots. And this is a size medium, so $7 and $9. Hello, great fall outfit, maybe with a little scarf. So they had these in other colors too, by the way. This they had in like 2 other colors, but they were corduroy, so I think this one is the only suede one. They also had these little similar shirts, like the ribbed material, but it has the v-neck, 3 little tortoiseshell buttons, and it's short sleeve. It's on sale for $7, so I think this makes a great basic as well. Alright, so here's that same shirt tucked into those pants that I tried on, but these are olive green, so super cute, great basic color. I'm hoping I can get a couple more wears out of these in the fall weather, because right now in Atlanta it's super cold, but here in Florida it's not. So great for work, super comfy, so cute. I think I might even give these to my mom because she's lost weight and needs some new pants. So love these pants. The shirt is not as growing on me. I think something's off with this shirt. I think it's the sleeves are a little bit too long or too short. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so this bra is so comfortable, no wire, no bulge right here. It's size medium from Warner's. It's $13.94, and I've been looking for a new bra because my boobs have deflated after breastfeeding and they're smaller, and I don't, you know, I can't fit into my 36B, so these are a size medium, and I don't have to worry about cup size because it fits so well. So yay! I might try to get this in another like nude shade. So my camera died, but luckily I have my phone. I just wanted to show this jacket that's on clearance for $9, size medium, originally like $24.96. But I think this would be a great like raincoat. This is actually kind of like a fake inside sweater. It only has this much of like the hoodie and the actual hood. So it's like a fake attached hood. But the problem is if this was a raincoat, this I was hoping would be this. So I don't know if that's gonna really work out. But I do like how it's cropped and I like the camo. So probably not, even though it's only $9, but I want like a real raincoat. And this one is rain and this is not. Okay, another bra. This is actually a 34B, so I'm definitely in 34, like across the band. But I'm surprised the B fits because I thought it was an A. This is pretty comfortable. I like how it's wide here. The straps feel a little bit cheapy, but they are adjustable, so this is it right here. Here's that same shirt in a size black, or a size medium, but the black color. I think I would love if this was long sleeve, because I love the buttons and the material, but the short sleeve is just off, so I'm not gonna get either one of those. These little loafers are so cute. From Time and True. This is a size 7, and I am not a 7, but they're just like wide width. And I think these are great fall. So definitely size down if you get these, like a whole size. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what I actually got at Walmart. So it's been like about 2 weeks since I filmed this. Sorry, but I accidentally left the clothes with my parents in Florida, and they came back to visit here in Atlanta, and they brought the clothes with them, so I'm going to show you. And if you're like, girl, your eyebrows are so dark, I just got them microbladed yesterday, so it's a process. Okay, so the first thing I have here, I definitely got the Time and True leopard shoes. Super cute. These are a size 7.5, and I usually wear an 8, so this runs a little big. It has the memory foam, really great for fall, and I like how they're flat, comfy. These are $9.87, so not bad at all. I got a bra, 2 of the bras I think I showed you. I like this one. It definitely fits a lot better. The size 34 around the waist is definitely my new size, but I don't like that the strap adjusters keep sliding, so the strap ends up being too big. So I'm gonna try this one now. This one's more of like a t-shirt bra, and this one is a size medium, so it was $13.94. So this one doesn't come in a cup size, but it kind of is almost like a modified t-shirt sports bra. I definitely was in need of some new bras because my cup size has shrunk since having a baby. I ended up getting this skirt, the fall skirt. So this one is a size 7, and it was only $9 on clearance. This was such a good deal. I mean, it's so nice looking, fits really well. It's got a little stretch. You can't go wrong with that. I also got the long black kind of duster sweater, super long, and it's got buttons. Okay, I got this in a size small because it's pretty stretchy and it's big. This one was probably the most expensive thing I got at $15.96, which isn't a lot, and it's like to the floor sweater material, so that's pretty good. And then the last thing I got was this fitted kind of like rib sweater in cream color, size medium, and it was only $7 on clearance. So I thought this would go really good with the skirt and like boots or booties. I think that would be really cute. So that's all I got for my Walmart haul. Let me know what you guys think. I was really like trying to be affordable but cute for the fall and winter. So if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know, comment below. I enjoyed doing them and I enjoy getting a deal, so I hope you guys do too. So I will have all this on my blog, makeitbyrunrun.com. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great night. Ciao, Bellas.